Did you know there's a lake that can kill an entire village? Without exploding, without fire, and without warning. Welcome to SecretStorm. In 1986, at Lake Nyos in Cameroon, people went to sleep like normal. And hundreds never woke up. No injuries. No chaos. Just silence. Here's the nightmare part. The lake was storing invisible carbon dioxide deep underwater, like a shaken soda bottle. Then it suddenly released a massive gas cloud. That cloud hugged the ground because CO2 is heavier than air. It rolled through valleys, pushed out oxygen, and suffocated people in their homes, so fast they didn't even stand up. And the twist: some lakes can still do this. Scientists now install degassing pipes to bleed the gas out slowly. But if those systems fail, the lake can literally burp again. What other places are hiding silent killers?